Runway just released the most amazing update I've ever seen that allows you to create studio-like videos like this one right here. Well, enough talking. On today's episode, I'm going to show you 75 unique videos that I have created with the new Runway version. I hope you guys enjoy it. But before we start, if you haven't, make sure to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button. I appreciate all the support, so thank you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Take care and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.